Steve Labby, owner of Paradigm Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. What you're looking at here is a house that's 20 years old that we took a 10-SEER condenser and we put this fabulous Evolution 280. What this is a true heat pump. In 2019, they won the most efficient award for this heat pump. It has a 10-year warranty. This is such a quiet unit. We're looking at 58 decibels, and you can't even know that it's running. It's unbelievable. The heat pump technology in this unit makes it one for the record books. I'm super excited that they ended up deciding to go with this piece of equipment. It's state of the art. You won't be disappointed.